This video capture shows the end user experience going through a Mac that has just been taken out of the cellophane for the first time and setting it up. As you can see, many of the setup panes are skipped entirely, which drastically cuts down the amount of time it takes to set up a new Mac. Here we can see that the remote management profile has been installed, Jamf Connect is also being installed along with its license file and the pre-configured settings that will enable it to work correctly. The end goal is that the user will see the Microsoft login window as the first thing they experience with the Mac, and it will honour all branding and multi-factor authentication policies. This keeps Macs looking sharp for the business, as well as secure for the end user and indeed the organisation. As the final few settings are skipped, the user is shown the Microsoft login window. Again, this is fully branded and respects your existing multi-factor authentication policies. The user signs in, authenticates with Microsoft Authenticator on their device, a local account is created on the Mac, and very shortly they are brought to the desktop. Self-service automatically opens, and once it's loaded, will show all of the policies and apps and settings that a user will have installed on their Mac automatically for them. Icons can be created and uploaded by the admins to create a real Apple feel for this, and the user can see what's being done. Here we can see Rosetta is being installed along with some predefined Office settings, File Vault, Word, and the dock will be redone for them as well. The time taken for these to complete obviously depends on the size of the policy or app being applied, as well as the end user's home internet connection, but they are kept up to date with the installation process. Finally, the user will see a complete screen and they will know then that they are ready to go on and get any further apps from self-service if they wish.